So one of the things that SEO companies do is they'll phone you up and they'll say to you, I'm going to make you number one in Google. Now, is it possible to make someone number one in Google within 2 minutes? Well, I'm going to prove it is. I'm going to show you now that I can get my website page to number one, apart from the adverts, of course, number one in Google in its organic search results within 2 minutes. So join me now and you'll see how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my web page that I've just produced and I'm now going to ask to index it. I'm then going to go to my Google My Business and I'm going to just put a link to it there so Google knows about it. And I'm just going to check. So I've just put this live and I'm now going to make sure that's my search term. So as you can see, my words there are pretty unusual. If I now So Google's just checking to see if it's live, and obviously it isn't because it's still new. As I said, it'll take a minute or two at the moment, so we'll wait for that. So it's submitted a request, and now Google will see that that's ready to be indexed. I always just go test live URL as well. So it's just belt and braces, just making sure that we've got it indexed through as many ways as we possibly can. That's the URL that obviously I want to have indexed. Okay, so that's gone live. If I click on that, learn more, that then takes me through hopefully to my new web page. So it's just going to load up. There we go. So that's the search term. That's what I'm aiming for. That's my live web page that I'm hoping it now will get indexed and will be picked up by Google. That's still testing. So at the moment we haven't really started because Google still doesn't know about it. But literally as soon as this is then accepted, as it's given the go ahead, let's just see if we can check. As soon as this is accepted, okay, let's try it. If we go to incognito, let's just see if they know anything about it. If I type that into here, so I'll go to google.com, okay, UK, I'll type in the web page, and I'm feeling lucky. Let's try that. There you go, it's found it, it's indexed straight away. Let's just make sure that's that. Yep, so that's a new web page, indexed straight away. Let's just, we just go to a standard search as well, just to make sure it's there. Okay, so we've got all these adverts to start with, and then there you go. It's there, indexed there. For some reason it says 7 hours. That's really unfair because I only did it a couple of minutes ago. But okay, don't know why it's done that. Well, there you go. Maybe that's a question I can leave you guys. Why would it say 7 hours when it's taken less than 2 minutes? But that's cool. So there you go. That just proves that you can index and find, put those search words out very, very quickly indeed. So in conclusion, my advice would be to just accept that when people say they can get you to number one, well, they're absolutely right. They can get you to number one. Here's a few videos that you may find interesting to take a look at now. Thanks. And hopefully your business will continue to benefit from this.